What's up guys, Kevin Cage here with another crypto update. Today we're doing a sponsored video for iTrustCapital, so if you're interested to learn more about tax-free investing and trading with a free crypto platform, be sure to watch all of this video and also share my investing journey between the stock market, the crypto market, the good, the bad, the lessons, and my strategy going forward. So we'll talk about the benefits of a Roth IRA, meaning that everything is 100% tax-free in the crypto market that is full of asymmetric opportunity. So remember, with a Roth IRA, it is 0% in capital gains taxes. And I don't know about you, but I'm in crypto for some home runs. And what stinks about these tax brackets is you can see, if you hit a home run and you're making over $539K as an individual, you are then taxed at 37%. That feels like almost half of your money going right to Uncle Sam. And remember, there's other taxes as well. And a quick side tangent, if you're thinking about a company that pays dividends to their shareholders, that money is taxed twice. Rule number one of Fight Club, the government always gets its money. The company gets their earnings, they pay their taxes, then dividends go to the shareholders. As you and me, if we're holding shares of a company, get those dividends, we then have to pay taxes on those dividends again. How crazy is that? Now, the good news for long-term capital gains, if you hold your asset for over a year without any type of taxable event, no converting it or swapping it into another project, you simply buy, you hold, and you hold it for over a year, then you would qualify for long-term capital gains. Now, the benefit is there is 0% if you're single and it's under 41,000 right here, so that's awesome. But I'm in crypto for a home run. I don't think we're trying to make 10 grand. I think we're trying to make millions. And we can see it goes up for 15% between 41,000 up to 459K. Now, over 459K, you're looking at 20%. So if you are making millions, 1/5 of your money is gone. Now, of course, we have to think that the majority of crypto taxes, let's be real, are short-term capital gains. Because when an asset does a 10x return, if you don't sell it then and take profit, it's probably going to come back down because crypto is extremely volatile. So with iTrustCapital, I like the option of setting limit orders in trading directly between the US dollar. And there are no taxable events, so using this single vehicle that is free, I'm paying 0% in capital gains. And there are some people that are able to buy, they hold it for over a year, and they're good to go. So this is still a great option. I just like having more flexibility on other platforms. So this will be linked right in the top of the YouTube video description along within the pinned comment. So you don't have to use my link, but if you do, as you can see below, you'll get a $100 funding reward. And as we click pricing right here, we can see there's no monthly fee whatsoever. There are no hidden maintenance fees and there are no hidden management fees. And remember a couple months ago, maybe a couple weeks back, we did a video comparing platforms and we could see that other IRA or crypto IRA competitors had hidden fees. And as I shared back in 2018, 2019, I was with another crypto IRA platform. And obviously I moved over to iTrustCapital back in January of 2020, so coming up on 3 years. So I actively use this platform. And once again, this is a $1 billion company. They have no ties to FTX, the crypto exchange, or SBF, or any of that nonsense. And I'm also going to link this in the top of the YouTube video description. Just going over how crypto assets are stored and secured on iTrustCapital. So this is easy to find if you're on the website as well, just to show you. And we've done dedicated videos over this as well. So we're going to go up to how it works, click the FAQ. And so you can just go right through the FAQ. There's also a video series right on their YouTube channel. So we can see what is the minimum to start an account. You can start with as little as $1,000. Now, I don't put my whole life savings in this. I have a variety of IRAs, but this is one that I have exposure to for the crypto market, as I've shared for a variety of reasons. I see commentary online about people talking about IRAs and 401ks, and you're right. I liquidated my 401k with my previous employer years ago. And what did I do with it? I put it into crypto. And don't get me wrong, for the past 10 years, the S&P 500 index has done wonders. We can see up 183%. So a 183% increase plus the initial investment, that's actually a 2.8x return. And the stock market has done great. Don't get me wrong. We are finishing up a 10-year plus bull run. And that's why I've taken money to at least allocate towards crypto because the risk reward is insane. Instead of talking about 10 to 20% in 1 year, which, is good, don't get me wrong, but inflation is still very high. In crypto, you have the potential, if you choose the right protocols that are adopted and actually have dApps being built on them, you're not looking at 10%, you're looking at 1,000%, 10,000% examples. With dozens of crypto assets on the platform, and you can trade these 24/7, 365 right within your dashboard or right on your phone. And I understand people thinking, 401ks are jokes with employers. And I did it. I got my 6% match. I did everything I could to maximize my gains. I made money. Some things are tax deductible. So if you're smart, you can actually structure it to still help you. But the average person doesn't really know how to use these tools properly or leverage them to their full potential. And that's why I'm so excited to have this tool in crypto. And I know someone will say, Kevin, aren't you in Puerto Rico? Aren't you getting tax benefits? I've received 0 tax benefits. They are backed up and there's no guarantee I will get any benefits while in Puerto Rico. And yes, I have a bunch of local friends here, as I've explained the reason I moved here. And the best part is I can still use iTrustCapital in Puerto Rico. And what if I decide that I want to move somewhere else, to another state, to another country? For the Puerto Rico tax decree, I would lose all of those benefits. So once again, that is exactly why I'm keeping and using my iTrustCapital account, because it is 0% for life. I want to have a variety of vehicles and backup plans to use at all times. Like any IRA or individual retirement account, a crypto IRA is simply a retirement account in which you invest and store crypto. You'll face the same standards as if you were investing in any other usual asset class, including the tax benefits. Some differences include storage. As with any crypto, your assets are typically stored in a digital wallet. Remember, iTrustCapital is integrated with Fireblocks, one of the biggest in the game. They power over 1,300 of the largest brokers in the crypto space. Assets are stored in cold storage. And iTrustCapital, I've used this platform for almost 3 years. They don't do anything silly or sketchy. They are transparent as it gets. They are not like Celsius. They are not lending out their funds. They're a billion-dollar company. And if iTrustCapital went bankrupt, by the way, just to go over any concerns because they're valid, and by the way, I doubt that'll happen. As you can see, they just raised another $100 million plus. But if they did go under, worst case scenario, for example, let's say my Roth IRA with Vanguard is being stored with Vanguard. Vanguard goes bankrupt. What happens? They're going to mail me a check with the full value of my retirement account with them, and then I have to take that money and find another custodian. Maybe I'll go to Fidelity. So if iTrustCapital went under, I would get that money and say, okay, do I want to go to another crypto provider? Do I want to go back in the stock market? And then just decide from there. Now, what are the benefits of a crypto IRA? There is one main benefit of a crypto IRA that cannot be overstated. Remember, stock market, 10% per year. In crypto, it is notorious for multiple 100% moves, if not in some cases 100 or 1000x returns. The future potential of crypto as an asset class at large, absolutely. We can see shifting legal landscapes, environmental concerns, the perfect storm, uneven global attitude toward recognizing crypto as a currency. Is it a commodity? Is it a security? Is it a new classification like utility token? It leads to volatility. The average person is afraid of volatility. I love volatility. That brings opportunity. And when in doubt, zoom out. When you look at the macro, if this trend continues, the potential returns come retirement for those who invested in a crypto IRA are huge. Now, there's a variety of vehicles. Some are tax deductible, some are not. So you have to do your own research and decide what's best for you. Me personally, I prefer a Roth IRA. If I was 18, I would do a Roth IRA again. And if I was 50 years old in crypto, I would actually still do a Roth IRA. And you can see over the age of 59 and a half withdrawals from a Roth IRA that you've had for more than 5 years, and you've met the 5-year holding requirement, you can withdraw money from a Roth IRA with no taxes or penalties. So you can see how you can kind of come up with a strategy depending on your age. Also, I have an article by iTrustCapital from the CEO, Kevin Maloney, sharing that they have no exposure to FTX or its token FTT. And we're going to finish up with this clip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A message from the CEO.
Hi, I'm Kevin Maloney with iTrustCapital. While the unfortunate current events have dominated this week's crypto headlines and affected the broader markets, it's important to reiterate that iTrustCapital does not engage in potentially harmful or high-risk lending practices. Beyond crypto staking, we do not lend, borrow, or leverage the funds of our clients or our business, nor do our partners. iTrustCapital will always remain committed to our clients and the integrity of their assets on our crypto IRA platform. With an emphasis on safety, security, and peace of mind, our 3 key principles, regulatory compliance, transparency, and a client-first business approach have and will always guide the company in both good and challenging markets. Thank you for your time today, and please feel free to reach out to our team with any questions.
If you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate hitting the like button and subscribing. Let me know your thoughts down below. And as always, my link tree is linked right in the top of this YouTube video description with all links, crypto resources, and discounts. I'll catch you in the next one.